Digital marketing is the use of online platforms and channels to promote products, services, or brands. It can help you reach more potential customers, increase your sales, and grow your business. In this video, I will share with you some tips on how to create a successful digital marketing strategy for your business. Tip 1. Know your audience. You need to understand who your target customers are, what their needs and preferences are, and how they behave online. This will help you tailor your message and offer to their interests and pain points. Tip 2. Choose the right channels. There are many online platforms and channels that you can use for digital marketing, such as websites, blogs, social media, email, video, podcasts, etc. You need to select the ones that best suit your goals, budget, and audience. Tip 3. Create valuable content. Content is the core of digital marketing. You need to create content that is relevant, engaging, and useful for your audience. Content can be info,